Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Gemini from showing up on your Android phone. Start by opening the Google app on your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you open the app, look at the top right corner and tap your profile picture or your initials. That will open your account menu. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, sign in now. After that, tap on the option that says Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Google Assistant. Now scroll down until you see a section called All Settings. Tap on that to open the full list of assistant options. Look for the option that says Digital Assistants from Google and tap on it. This screen lets you manage which version of the assistant you're using. Right now, Gemini is probably selected. If you want to go back to the classic Google Assistant, just tap on Google Assistant. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.